Welcome to Solaire Resort North. Okay, this is the first 5-star resort hotel casino in Quezon City. Let's go inside. This is a casino at the same time. Yan. So, marami din silang restaurants. Saan tayo? Ito, in time for Chinese New Year. Ang design na to, in time for Chinese New Year. Ayan. Wala lang. Happy New Year! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Nubaw David. Here, mga kakampi. Andito tayo sa Fresh sa Solaire Resort North, the 5-star resort hotel here in Quezon City, inside Turkey. Yan. So this is also seafood. Yan. Mga sauce. Hello. We have lechon. At syempre, ang star, ang only lobster tayo. So yan, steamed lobster. So this is the raw. Yan, hilaw pa siya. Ayan. Okay. So buttered garlic lobster. Lobster in oyster sauce. Dessert, ube halaya, kasaba. We have mga bread, soft roll, hard rolls, ayan. Gingerbread house. Ganda ng kanila. Parang bake shop ang dating, di ba? The pastries. Ito ang mga dessert. So magre-refill. Mamaya. Yan. At chocolate fountain. Yes. Yan. Puto bumbong. So, we have ice cream. We have salad station. Make your own salad. Yan. Salmon. Machego, Asiago, Gouda, Gouda, sa mga cheese. Magre-refill yan mamaya. Kundi dessert, syempre ang meat. Anong steak na tawag natin sa steak mo?
Prime rib po.
Prime rib?
Yes.
Okay, prime rib steak. Hello.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Everyone.
Yeah. So we have pork roll, crispy pata, inihaw na liempo, inasal na manok, embutido. So another beef area. This is a Japanese area. So this is the beef teppanyaki, peppercorn sauce. Yan, pork teppanyaki. Japanese hot food, okay. So tofu, mushroom, yakisoba, chicken curry, chachan, clam miso soup. Yan. So, Japanese. Oh, so, this is the Asian noodle soup. Ayan. Laksa chicken, tama. Okay. Japanese sushi. Sushi and Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Ayan. As you can see, the salmon is so fresh. Ayan. This custard bun. And then, vegetable dumplings. And then, asado bun. Ayan, beef with vegetable, braised pork, bean curd. Ayan. Chinese na Chinese. Ayan. Siyempre, fried rice, with salted egg, crab meat corn soup. Ayan. Okay. Say hi to my YouTube. This is Noel.
Welcome to Solar North.
Ayan. So, eto naman tayo sa mga tempura, spicy pork, kaphe, Korean. At syempre, dito magpakalasing tayo. So we have free-flowing wine. Okay, regarding sa wine, ano ang mga wine natin?
Included po natin. We have four selection of white folks. We have white wine.
Okay, sige. So this is the white wine.
White wine po, we have Sauvignon Blanc and Muscat.
Yes.
For the red wine, we have multiple Stana. And then Shiraz.
Achiras.
And then we have for beer po, we have the super dry. And we have draft beer.
Okay, the draft beer. So ilang klase yung red wine natin?
Dalawa po.
Isang Shiraz.
Isang Shiraz, isang multiple Stana.
Asan yun?
This one.
This one. Okay. So, New Year. Tapos, sa soda, hindi kasali.
For the soda, included siya on both products.
Kasama sa buffet. Yes. Ayan. Free flowing of soda. Ayan. Happy New Year. So, we have also apple guayabano juice, pineapple cucumber. Ayan. Ayan. Siyempre, pinaka talagang ito, ang lobster. Piniprepare tayo ni Chef ng steak. Thank you, Chef. Happy New Year.
Thank you, sir.
Mamaya makikita nyo kung gaano kaganda yung steak niya. Prepare niya sa akin. Ayan. Look at my steak. Wow. Awesome. Ayan, no? Ganda ng presentation ng steak ko. Galing naman ni Chef. Nakakatuwa. Tapos yung isang presentation talaga. Ayan. Thank you, Chef. Yeah, I'm here at Fresh Solar Resort North. The name of the restaurant is Fresh. So, I have an steak. Kita nyo naman sa vlog, di ba? Special yung ginawa ni Chef para sa steak ko. Here's my God, ang sarap. Oh. I'll show you my steak, how nice, very nice ang pagkakagawa at pagkaka-grill ni Chef. Look at this. Iba. Iba siya. Look at the quality of the steak. Perfect 10 for my steak. So after the steak, so far steak pa lang yung sinimulan ko. Hindi na ako kumuha muna ng mga iba-ibang. Gusto ko muna sa main event tayo para sulit, di ba? So I have this garlic lobster. Lobster garlic butter. Mm. Kung mahilig ka sa seafood at lobster, sulit kumain dito sa Fresh Ali Lobster. Try ko makakakuha ng claw ng lobster. Ayan, no? Ang laman din ng claw ng lobster. This is my third plate ng rib eye steak. And so thank you so much, Chef JC, pagluto ng aking steak. As you can see naman. At sa vlog ko naman, you cannot deny it. Talaga, steak lang ang nakatatlong plates ako. And then, one plate of lobster. Then, I have my wine, cheese. Na-overwhelmed na ako masyado kasi dito sa pagkain. So, ang dahil niyang food of choices naman talaga. Parang because na-try ko na yung rib eye ni Chef JC, and which is I really love steak naman talaga. So, I'm so thankful to Chef JC sa kanyang ginawang steak sa akin. Dito pa lang solve na ako. Dito pa lang happy na ako. As you can see, look at my steak. Look at this. Diba awesome? Ito naman ninyo, diba? Medyo mapula siya pero mas better pag gano'n. Yung quality ng steak, the best. Siyempre, together with red wine. Happy New Year! Welcome 2025! Look at this. Thank you, Chef JC. You're awesome. Buti na lang hindi ako nagkamali ng pagpili sa Fresh Soler Resort North. Na dito ko celebrate ang New Year sa Lubog, medianoche, hindi na ako mahirapang magluto, lahat ng gusto kong kainin, pwede kong kainin, lahat ng foods na available. Nakita naman ninyo, gano'ng kadami. Dessert, ganun din. One thing, I just want to give credits to the staff of Fresh. Ang babait nila, very accommodating, kahit doon sa mga food station nila. So, alam mo yung feeling mong alagang-alaga ka. So, naramdaman ko yun. Ito naman, kita nyo naman, ramdam na ramdam ko talaga. May laksa, second serving. So, basically, I just had 3 plates of steaks, 1 plate of garlic butter lobster, tapos yung laksa twice na, and then red wine. Happy na ako, sobra. So ito ang sarap, bagong luto. Ang sarap ng laksa nila. Winner. My dessert. Puto bumbong, cassava cake, bibingka, dried mango, ube. Ayan. Happy New Year. Cheers. Cheers. Okay, so this time, binigyan na kami ng wristband. Yan. Kasi at 11:45, I think, we will go to the 7th floor for the fireworks. So, kailangan may ganito ka suot para kapasok ka. At the same time kasi, meron din kaming kasamang drinks dun sa taas. So, wala lang, happy lang, awesome lang.
Few inches later.
Yeah. Oh, cheers! na tayo sa New Year natin. Diba? Okay na okay din tong experience ko dito sa Solar Resort North. After the fresh buffet, eto tayo nga sa 7th floor para salubungin ang 2025